molten aluminum. Alcoa's wire, rod, and bar division in Massena, New York begins the process here, and it ends with premium products for customers worldwide.
Good morning, Alcoa. This is Mike. May I help you? Good morning, Mr. Parker. How are you this morning? Okay, and what alloy and temper are you currently using? 6061 T6511 extruded. In what size? 2 by 2 1/4.
This customer service representative and application engineer are working together to offer solutions to the customer, as they do for any customer seeking technical assistance.
To get something that will give them better productivity and machinability.
Great, we have a new product that is out on the market now that will increase their productivity rates as a result of better machining. They have smaller chips, less downtime.
Our premium alloys, developed based on customer needs, are just one example of Alcoa's ongoing customer commitment. These alloys exhibit targeted combinations of high strength, machinability, corrosion and wear resistance, anodizing response, and welding and brazing response. Alcoa's premium alloys are supplied to thousands of end-use customers who machine the rod, bar, and screw machine stock into parts for various markets. With more than 1,300 employees and state-of-the-art technology, Alcoa's wire, rod, and bar facility produces the broadest line of aluminum rod, bar, and screw machine stock supplied throughout the industry. Our customers machine Massena products into parts used around the world every day in manufacturing, transportation, recreation, and much more. The Massena operation is ISO 9002 certified. With advanced computer-aided equipment, we verify the quality and suitability of our products at every step in the process. Ultrasonic jet stream inspection ensures that the metallurgical integrity of our ingots meets or exceeds industry and government specifications.
I think this is a good-looking ingot, George. It's got nice surface quality.
Alcoa has led the market in perfecting heat treatment practices which are monitored with advanced logic programming. Additional operations will add the straightness our customers require for end-use applications. Enhanced straightness is critical to many customers, including those who operate bar feeders on complex machining centers.
It looks like if we decrease the billet temperature by about 20 degrees, we can increase the extrusion speed by about 5 feet a minute.
Alcoa provides value to our customers by enhancing their manufacturing capabilities and subsequently their competitive positions. We do this with the finest technical team in the industry, using sophisticated on-site metallographic and mechanical testing. The large extrusion press at Massena Operations represents one of the largest rod and bar presses in the industry and is the most versatile of all the presses in Alcoa's rod and bar arsenal. Cold-finished aluminum alloys have improved surface finish and superior dimensional tolerances for today's equipment requirements. Cold finishing refines the metallurgical structure for improved customer machining. Stress-relieved processing results in negligible residual stress, producing minimum distortion during the machining process. This allows customers to produce finished components with the tight dimensional characteristics required for critical markets.
Excellent. See no problem whatsoever.
Alcoa has pioneered many stress-relieved tempers for the demanding aerospace industry, including those which require the greatest degree of stress relief. After talking to the customer, the application engineer joins the customer at his facility for an on-site test.
And what type of feeds and speeds that you're operating
I'm
at?
running at 1,200 feet a minute to roughen. I finish.
While Alcoa's premium alloys have many excellent properties, in this case the issues are machinability and productivity.
With our new premium alloy, we would expect that you should see anywhere from 20 to 30% productivity increases as a result of increasing feeds and speeds, smaller chips, less downtime to clean out your chips, and that should solve your problem.
Alcoa Engineered Products, Wire Rod and Bar Division, Massena, New York. Alcoa, meeting tomorrow's aluminum needs today.